Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to set the size of a Windows Forms application using PowerShell. First, we need to load the System.Windows.Forms assembly. This allows us to work with GUI components in PowerShell. Here, we use add type assembly name System.Windows.Forms to include the required libraries for our Windows Forms application. Next, we'll create a new form object that will serve as our application window. We use new object System.Windows.Forms.form to create our form. Now let's customize it. We'll start by giving our form a title so that users know what the application is about. This line sets the title of the form. It's important for guiding users through the application. Now let's set the size of our form. This is where we determine how big our window will appear on the screen. By using form.size equals new object system.drawing.size 300, 200, we're configuring our form's dimensions to be 300 pixels wide and 200 pixels tall. You can adjust these values to fit your design preferences. Finally, we need to display our customized form. The Show dialog command will show the form and keep it open until the user closes it. Let's see what this looks like in action. Let's review the entire code snippet we've created. Now let's execute this code to see our form displayed with the specified title and size. And there you have it. You've successfully set the size of a Windows Forms application using PowerShell. Adjusting the form's dimensions can really enhance user experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more PowerShell tips and tricks. Happy coding!